Make that too. I know how to make bread. I'm a good cook. I have my YouTube channel.
Really?
Yeah, I'm doing cooking. But my cooking. So this one are spinach and what else?
The paneer.
What's that?
Paneer.
Paneer.
And
Oh,
cheese.
okay.
Cheese. Mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese, paneer, and spinach. Only spinach, the green vegetables?
Yeah, no, only spinach. You can put little bit coriander.
So first you make this bread.
No bread. This one, the yeah.
And then dip in the flour.
Yeah.
And then put that in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And become like this now. Okay, I think I can make that too. I know how to make bread.
Oh.
I'm a good cook. I have my YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm doing cooking. But my cooking is all healthy. I don't do fried.
Okay.
I do fried chicken without using oil.
Oh.
And it's very juicy and crispy. So I'm promoting healthy cooking. No oil. Yeah, avoiding fats. That's how I do. But I cook with oil. If somebody's want me to do like that, I'm doing cooking house to house too. So nice. That's good. So after that, they call it naan.
Yeah.
Naan. So it's put in here in the oven, but they're using a charcoal inside. You have it already?
No.
So that's how it looks like. Top with the water. Oh, nice. Nice. That one is nice. Oh,